This is a video of me taking a tire and decent tire off of a dually rim. The first part is easy pretty much. I use rounded wrenches so I don't mess up the lip, the bead. If you mess up the bead, you can't reuse the tire because it leaks. So use these rounded ones. Now the tricky part is trying to get the last bead over the front, and I'm using another dually wheel and bolting the other dually wheel offset so that the tire will fall down and I can get the tire off. So that's how I'm taking the tire off of a dually wheel.